And welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make chunky Italian soup. Add olive oil enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Saute 1 medium onion. Okay, now we're going to add 1 pound of hamburger. I'm going to break it up into small pieces. Now I'm going to add a can of tomato bisque on 2 cans of sweet tomatoes. Okay, I'm chopping up the tomatoes in this way because they're rather large. Chopped up the tomatoes with my spatula. Then I'm adding 4 cups of water. Adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. 2 teaspoons of oregano. And this is optional, 2 teaspoons of basil. I do not put basil in. I'm not a basil type of person. 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of chili powder, This is all going to stir. This is all going to cook for 30 minutes. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add a 16-ounce can of French-style green beans, carrots, fresh or canned, and a 16-ounce can of kidney beans. Okay, now we're going to simmer it for 15 additional minutes. Okay, so that's simmered for 15 minutes. It's looking delicious. So now we're going to add 4 cups of cooked pasta. Put that in there. Okay, looking delicious. All done. Looks so good.